Hi, my name is Tegan Martin-Drysdale, and I'm the president of the Homestead Investment Co-operative. I have 25 years of experience in the construction, engineering, and design industry, and have renovated and built several multi-use buildings in Edmonton and across Alberta. So I was part of an investment group that purchased the Alberta Block building in 2013. It was a building that was built in 1909 and home to CKUA radio for over 60 years. It's been a fixture on Jasper Ave for over 100 years. When we purchased the building in 2013, we looked at the history of the building and its rich history on Jasper Ave, and we wanted to position the building well for the next 50 to 100 years. So we looked at a deep energy retrofit and replaced all the mechanical, electrical, windows, added new insulation to the roof and walls to really focus on low operational costs for our future tenants. As part of the renovation, we wanted to make sure that the floor plates were really flexible for those future tenants. So we removed all of the walls and we upgraded the structure to these glulam columns and beams that you see here, and to really add to the architectural features of the building and really open up these floor spaces. One of the beautiful features of this building are these window wells. 100 years ago, when you had a building that was lot line to lot line, they would design these window wells where they would set the building back in the center and put in a bunch of windows to bring in natural light. And it really makes you feel like you're in a city like Brooklyn or New York, and that's a lot of the comments that we get from visitors to this building. In 2012, this was how the building was heated. An old boiler system that was installed in 1909. And in 2012, it was still the oldest boiler system operating in Western Canada. So when we bought the building, even though the old boiler system was still operational and working, we knew that it was just not energy efficient enough. So you can see here, this is what a high energy efficiency boiler system looks like. Much smaller in size, much more energy efficient for op costs for the tenants. So the front part of this building was 4 stories high, built in 1909. And then in 1913, they put on an addition to the back that was 6 stories high. So that actually creates an interesting L shape to the building and allows us to build a beautiful rooftop patio here on this beautiful rooftop deck. And that's what we focused on when we were renovating the building. We upgraded the structure below us to accommodate a future rooftop patio. And we can see that it's going to be a beautiful amenity for our future tenants. The exterior of this building is a 100-year-old brick facade, and it has really stood the test of time. And during the renovation and redesign of the building, we really focus on retaining that heritage piece of the building. And you can see that it creates these beautiful walls, and we left the ghost murals from CKUA radio. As part of building out Homestead Investment Co-operative, I invited other board members to join me, such as Don Iveson, Kyla Kazale, who they both work in this building. Kyla's got the business of Foos Repair Shop that's on the main floor. And we have this rich growing board of people with diverse experience and backgrounds.